Hi children, how are you? I hope you are all fine and safe at home. Welcome to the session. Today we are going to see 7th standard maths, fractions, the second chapter. What is fraction children? Fraction is a part of a whole. From the whole, if we are going to take few parts which is written in the fraction. So that's why fraction is a part of the whole. Okay. Now in this fractions, we are going to see the reciprocal of fractions. What is reciprocal of a fraction in the sense? See, if a by b is a fraction, see a by b in the sense a is in the numerator and b is in the denominator. So, a is in numerator and b is in the denominator is a fraction which we are going to write in the reciprocal like a b by a. Here b is in numerator and a is in the denominator. Is it clear? So, whenever the fraction is given, we are going to change and write into the numerator and denominator of a fraction, that is called the reciprocal of the fraction. Is it clear? See, with example I will explain you. For example, 4 by 7 is a fraction. 4 is in numerator and 7 is in the denominator. What is the reciprocal of this 4 by 7? So, just like a by b, the reciprocal is b by a, right? So, 4 by 7 we are going to write as 7 by 4. Is it clear what is the reciprocal of a fraction? And 4 by 7 is a fraction, right? For whole numbers also there is a reciprocal. Okay. See how 5 is a whole number. All the whole numbers we can consider as a fraction. Okay. See how if I write 5 by 1, this 5 become as a fraction. So, what is the reciprocal of this 5 by 1? We can write this as the reciprocal is 1 by 5. Is it clear? So, for fractions as well as for the whole number, we can write the reciprocal of the fraction. And we are going to use the reciprocal in the division of fraction children. Okay. There is a other name for this reciprocal. What is the other name for the reciprocal of a fraction? See, the reciprocal of a fraction is also called as the multiplicative inverse. So, multiplicative inverse is the other name for the reciprocal of the fraction. See, instead of asking the question like the reciprocal of 9 by 7 is dash, instead of that the word reciprocal, they may ask you like the multiplicative inverse also children. The multiplicative inverse of 9 by 7 is dash. Both are same only. So, the reciprocal of a fraction you should know the other name which is multiplicative inverse. Is it clear? The reciprocal of a fraction is also called as the multiplicative inverse. In 1 marks, whenever the question they are going to ask, instead of reciprocal they may ask the word multiplicative inverse also. Okay. And using this we are going to see the product of a fraction and its reciprocal. See, here they have mentioned reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. So, the other name also they have given here. What is the meaning of product? Product means multiplication, right? Product of a fraction. A fraction here, for a fraction we can take any example. Let we consider this fraction as 2 by 5. Okay. Product means multiplication. So, into product of a fraction and its reciprocal. Its reciprocal in the sense fractions reciprocal. Here the fraction is 2 by 5. Okay. So, what is the multiplicative inverse of 2 by 5? Yes, 5 by 2. Okay. What is the product of this 2? See, 2 by 5 into 5 by 2. We know how to solve two fractions, right? So, we can cancel the numerator and denominator children. So, how many times 5 you can cancel here? 1 time and as well as here 1, 5 ones are. Next here 2 is in numerator and here 2 is in the denominator. We can cancel this both in 2 table. So, 2 ones are, 2 ones are. Multiply the numerators 1 into 1 by the denominator is 1 into 1. So, multiply this 1 ones are 1 by 1 ones are 1. So, 1 by 1 we can write like 1, right. So this which is given here in the question, and instead of this one they may give the dash. In 1 marks they can ask the question like the product of a fraction and its multiplicative inverse is dash. See, if you understand the question, then we may take any example of a fraction and its multiplicative inverse and we can give the answer is 1. Is it clear how the answer is 1? Okay. Using this reciprocal or the multiplicative inverse, we will see few questions in 1 marks how we can expect in the exam, children. Now you can answer for me this. See, here find the reciprocal. Instead of this reciprocal, I told you they may use the word multiplicative inverse also. So they can ask find the multiplicative inverse of the following. Okay. See, the first question is 24. This 24 I can consider as 24 by 1. Okay. Then what is the multiplicative inverse of this 24 by 1? Yes, 24 by 1 I can write as 1 by 24. Is it clear? Right. Tell me what is 5 by 12? Yes, Deepika, 5 by 12, the multiplicative inverse of 5 by 12 is, how to write this? Yes, very good, 12 by 5. And here the next question, yes Darshini, you can say what is the answer for 1 by 4? The reciprocal of 1 by 14 is 14 by 1. See, when the denominator is 1, we can consider this number as 14, is it? Because in one table, if you cancel this, you will get the answer as 14, children. So the answer 14 by 1 can be written as 14. Therefore, the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 14 is 14. Okay. And last one more question is 5 4 by 7. See, here 5 4 by 7 is a mixed fraction, right? See, 5 4 by 7. First convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. We are going to multiply this denominator and whole number, then the answer we are going to add with the numerator. So first multiply this, 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 4. 35 plus 4 is, yes, 39. 39 by the denominator is 7. Now we want to write the multiplicative inverse of 39 by 7. So what is the multiplicative inverse of 39 by 7? 7 by 39. So the multiplicative inverse of 39 by 7 is 7 by 39. Is it clear how to write the multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal of the following fractions, right? This we are going to use the reciprocal in the division of fraction, children. The next is, if Phillips is given like this, how to find the answer? See, dash into 3 by 22 equal to 1. I told you the product of a fraction and its reciprocal, it will give the answer as 1, right? So let me consider this 3 by 22 as a fraction now. Okay. If it is a fraction, product with what? Its multiplicative inverse, then only we can get the answer as 1. So what is the multiplicative inverse of this 3 by 22? 22 by 3. Is it clear? So 22 will get cancelled and 3 also will get cancelled for one time. So our answer will be 1. Is it clear? So if you remember that the product of a fraction and its multiplicative inverse is always 1, children. See, 5 into dash equal to 1. What is the multiplicative inverse of 5? We will consider this 5 as 5 by 1. So the multiplicative inverse of this 5 by 1 is, yes, 1 by 5. Very good. So 5 by 1 into 1 by 5 gives 1. Okay. Here the next question is 9 by 25 into 2 7 by 9. See, 9 by 25 is a proper fraction, but here 2 7 by 9 is a mixed fraction. Just convert this mixed fraction into improper now. 2 7 by 9. I told you to multiply this 2 na. So first multiply this, 9 2s are 18. Very good. So 18 plus the numerator is 7. 18 plus 7. 18 plus 7 is what? 25. 25 by the denominator will be same as 9. So, the value of this 2, 7 by 9 is what? 25 by 9. So, for this question 9 by 25 into 25 by 9 equal to what then? The product of a fraction and its multiplicative inverse is 1. Is it clear? So, the next one 5 1 by 3 into dash equal to 1. Here 5 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction. Convert this mixed fraction. 5 3s are, yes, 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1. 15 plus 1 is 16. So, this is 16 by 3 into dash equal to 1. So, a fraction into its multiplicative inverse only, it will give 1, right. So, what is the multiplicative inverse of this? 16 by 3? 3 by 16. Is it clear? If they are given as a fraction, directly we can write its multiplicative inverse. When it is given into mixed fraction, first convert this into improper, then we can write the multiplicative inverse of this improper fraction, children. Is it clear what is the reciprocal? What is the other name of reciprocal? Okay. So, this we will use in the division of fractions. Okay. So, in this exercise we have learnt about the reciprocal of fractions. The other name for the reciprocal of fraction is multiplicative inverse. Okay. Using this class we can see the study material. See the study material which is attached in your description box itself. The study material is exercise wise we have given the question with answers. See the reciprocal of fractions is exercise number 2.4. So, fill in the blanks. I have taught you how to fill the answers, right. Find the reciprocal of each of the following. See, for the reciprocals we can write the answers. They have given the question with answer. Using this you can write your subject notes, children. After you are completing this, to practice question bank which is attached in this only the questions will be here in this question bank. Using this questions you can practice before writing the test. Okay. After you are finishing this, we can see the self assessment question paper which is attached in this itself, children. So, in this self assessment minimum 15 to 20 or 30 marks you can write the test and you can evaluate yourself how much you have learned in this session, children. Thank you.